Racing just is started. Miss Fontaine break quickly restart. Veracruz glitter face rushing upon the outside. Beat them all. Princess Team just imagine. Super spicy steadfast of love comes next. Bungangera Kaluguran second last while Yani no Iana is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the little one going along for the first turn. We have glitter face by our length and a half. Moving upon the outside, beat them all. Miss Fontaine Super is spicy now to take fourth, and in fifth, Veracruz. The next online is Just Imagine. Moving upon the outside, Bungangera. Steadfast Love is running by the lane between horses. Princess Tin, Inaini, no Iana second lens, while Kaluguran now racing in 11th. Another fourth turn, we have Glitter Face is still in control, leads by about 2 lengths. Super Spicy now to take second. Beat them all is racing in third, and in fourth comes Miss Fontaine. Bungangera is Steadfast of Love. Just Imagine comes next. Veracruz and Diana entering the home stretch. We have Glitter Face, Verlink, and on the outside is Super Spicy. Steadfast of Love is racing in third. Last 100 meters, we have Glitter Face by our length and a half over Super Spicy. And finally, the program opener, Glitter Face, Super Spicy, Steadfast of Love, Just Imagine. Then comes Miss Fontaine, Bungangera, Ianino, Iana.
Okay, Bayang Karadista, for this race number 1, ang ating pong unofficial winner, your favorite, dito nalamado na, numero 6 natin, Glitter Face. Masisigurong dyan, second favorite numero